Living with guys can be a bit strange. Let's bake a cake. This is an egg, then flour, and they are measured in 1000 gram. We're measuring 1000 gram of flour with baking powder, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and we are going to sieve everything together to bake a cake for one of the guys because it's his birthday. So you guys, you can see what I have to go through being the only lady in the house. I have to know what I'm doing. So this is me measuring the baking powder and trying to sieve it, because what is a cake without you sieving it? My mentor that taught me how to bake a cake told me that if you want the cake to be more fluffy, you should sieve it like 5 times, but basically you can just sieve like 3 times and it is good to go. So this is me trying to sieve the cake. Yeah, if you actually listen to the voice of this video, you're going to laugh because the guys did not want me to hear what they were. Just tripping into the kitchen and they were just disturbing. They were just playing their games in the parlor. They were just shouting. You know, when you're living with guys in the house, get ready, you're the only mother. Okay, this is me sieving those eggs I showed you then. I don't want to use hand wicks, so I decided to use electric wicks. And this is the sugar. I don't know what is wrong with guys and sugar these days. I added small sugar and they were like, no, we want plenty sugar, we want sugar. I said, look at men eating sugar. They said they wanted sugar. So this is margarine that we are going to be using for the cake. They liked margarine too. They were, can you imagine, as I was mixing the margarine and the sugar, they were busy taking little chunk of it and licking it. I really don't understand what I will do with them. Please come and take them out of the house. This is golden serum that I'll be using for the cake because I love my cake to be a bit softer. I don't know if you get the drift. And this is my odogu ingredient. Milk, super milk. So I just had to like coat the cake pan so that it will not come out burning. I even had to use flour to like do the cake pan. Yeah, look at me doing it now. So I had to use cake flour to like, as in to just coat the pan so that it will not burn, it will not be hanging. And so this is what I was doing. Even as I was doing all these things, these guys did not even come to help me one bit. So I've already started mixing the this thing. After mixing the butter and the sugar, I divided the eggs into 3 places, the whisk egg into 3 places. I'm going to be putting egg and the sifted butter and baking powder in a different way. Like if you put 1/2 of the sugar, you're going to, the egg, you're going to put another half of the flour and the baking powder and the preservative, just so that they could join together a little bit for the first time. You don't want to go very hard. So at this point it was very difficult for me because I was using one hand with my phone and using one hand to stir because I don't have a tripod yet and I'm just trying to manage myself. So this is the after look of mixing the first batter. This is what it looks like. So I'm going to do another egg and flour mixture again the second time, and this is it. You put eggs, then you put your flour again, flour mix again, flour mix. How do you pronounce it? But I'm an Igbo girl, that's how we pronounce it in my place. Igbo girl from the east in Nigeria, so we pronounce it that way. We are pronouncing it. Please don't take it on us. That's our intonation. Okay, back to what we are doing. So this is me trying to like use one hand to do everything like cha. None of the guys were even trying to help me. Only hubby tried. He came to the kitchen because he was aiming for the butter and sugar mix, but I've already added flour, so he refused to come back again because he doesn't eat that one like that. So I have to stir again. Oh my god, my hands. This one is the second time I did it, and I'm going to do it again the third and the last time. The egg mixture and also the flour mixture again for the last time, which is going to be done now, and voila, this is it. So everything is supposed to be, both the wet ingredient and the dry ingredient has been incorporated at this point. So I'm just going to like stir. I'm not weak, I have to stir so that I will not create air bubbles very well. So I stirred while holding my phone on my hand. You can see the shadow all around, but you guys have to bear with me because that's what I can do for now. But by the grace of God, we are getting there, and we are going to hit that 1K subscriber very soon. This is what it looks like at the end of the day. Very lush, very beautiful, very delicious. I bake. Okay, this is the 4th time. So I just added, because I was doing for 1,000 gram. Yeah. So this is it.
This shows. Who is it? Go for my food. Go for my food.
And voila, this is your cake. This is what it looks like. So beautiful. Like, guys, you can actually bake at home now that things are expensive. Now this is, so guys, this is the cake, the finished product. I'm sorry I could not show you the when it came out, everything. So see you on the next video. Bye, guys.
Already know she ready. She popped that body so deadly. Every Benjamin